All right, now that you have reviewed the coordinate plane, let's talk specifically about some questions you might see on STAR. So in this question, it says Frankie plotted a point 3 units away from point C. So when you're moving away from a point, we can only move on our grid lines. So we could move up, straight up. We could move straight down. We could move straight left, or we can move straight right. Okay, we're gonna pretend like these are streets. We can only drive on our streets, okay? We cannot go at a diagonal. So it says, which of the following could be the coordinates of his point? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go find 3 units away from point C in all of these directions. So I start at point C here, and I'm gonna go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna put a dot. And then I'm gonna go right 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna put a dot. And then I'm gonna go down 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put a dot. And then I'm gonna go left. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna put a dot. So those are the 4 locations that Frankie could have plotted his point. Okay, because point C is here in the middle, and that's all 3 units away. Again, we can only move up, down, left, or right. So let's look at the points they gave us and see if any of them match. So point A was +5, +1. So I'm gonna label my X and Y. I'm gonna go +5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and +1. Is that one of the points I plotted? No, and it is not 3 units away. So A cannot be right. I'm gonna label it with an A. All right, and then let's try point B. So point B is +1, -1. So I'm gonna start at 0, 0, walk to +1, and then I'm gonna go down to -1. Well, that looks like it matches my other point. So point B is a really good answer. I'm gonna keep going just to show you that C and D are wrong. So point C is -1, +2. I start at the center and I walk -1. And then I take the elevator to +2. So this one is close, but it is not correct. Okay, and then my last one, D, says 4, +4, +5. So I'm gonna start at 0, 0. I'm gonna walk +4, and I'm gonna take the elevator up to +5. Okay, and that is point D. So again, we cannot move diagonally. So even though this looks like it is 3 blocks away, it can't be because it has to be straight up, straight down, straight left, or straight right. Okay, so the best answer for this question will be point B.